Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of Lord's mobile application on your smartphone. If you want to log out of Lord's mobile, then all you need to do is to launch the Lord's mobile app on your device and make sure it loads. On the main screen, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner to open up the Others menu. Inside Others, look for Account and tap on it, and you will be able to see a logout button right next to the platform that you used to log in. Once you see the logout button, simply tap on that and confirm your choice, and this will log you out of your game. So that's how you easily log out or unlink one of the sign-in options that you've used on Lord's Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.